went to the library, I got a library card, and had not been in that library for over 5 years. The last time I was in there was before I met Eric. And it was because I was in an acting class, which, like, it was a month, maybe less, before I met Eric for the first time. The reason I was there was not to get a book. I was there because in the acting class that I was in, one of the exercises that we had to do was to create a character. Sounds cool, right? I understand the nature of the exercise, but when you think about it, it sounds creepy. So basically we had to watch somebody for an hour and create a character off of them. So I went to the library because this was like roughly around the end of June, I think, like May, June. So there was a lot of students in the library studying for exams. So I went to the library and I was researching somebody for, I think it was about 45 minutes, and then they left after that, which meant I had to start all over. I got 2 books from the library today. I got one about slow living, which is something that I really want to do. Just like slow down, because I feel like I'm trying to live in the fast lane and it's not working. And I also got a book by Rachel Hollis, because I've been listening to her podcasts, and which she inspired me to get a library book, because she was basically plugging her own book, and she's like, I don't even care if you buy it, like, just go to a library and get it. And I'm like, hold up, libraries, they exist. Why do I go to thrift stores and buy books that I don't read for months and months? I could go to a library, which is like a 20-minute walk from my house. What a concept. So I got her book, Girl Stop Apologizing, because that is in stock, and Girl Go Wash Your Face, which is one that I will want to read. I don't know anything about these books. I just know that I enjoy her podcast. I enjoy what she has to say, and I feel like I'll enjoy reading what she has to say.
This is my husband. He likes hockey. Well, loves hockey. He loves hockey.
Oh, is that recording? Oopsie doopsies.
I'm chilling in the car. Eric's picking up his skates. They just got sharpened. We just did groceries, did some errands, and then gonna go home, put groceries away. I'm probably gonna edit, and I want to write today, but I also want to sit outside because it is nice and sunny. I started reading a book by Rachel Hollis, Girl Stop Apologizing, and wow, this is something I need. There's this new building by our apartment, and it has this little like room thing with the couches and stuff, so just here gonna do some editing, and it's very nice. Where is it? Oh. Well, I was gonna read my book while Eric played with his RC car, but that's not gonna happen because I was having too much fun with it. In the gym that is in our building, and I'm gonna do a little warm up on the treadmill and then go do some abs in the yoga room over there. So let's get to it.
go for runs once in a while. I'm gonna start on the treadmill, do a little walk to jog to run and back and forth, and then eventually we'll run outside. I'm not there yet, but I will be, because I'm not a runner, but maybe one day I will go for a run outside. Probably when it's not super hot out, but for now, I'm chilling. This is that post-run glow. It is hot out. Very nice to get fresh air. I'm glad I did that run. It felt good.